Hello students, now let us see the enthalpy of ionization in aqueous solution. Okay, this is the different type of enthalpy of ionization in aqueous solution. And firstly, let us try to understand with the definition. So very first point is the enthalpy change in the formation of an ion at unit activity concentration from its elemental aqueous solution, that is from elemental aqueous solution, is enthalpy of ionization. Okay, what is meaning of elemental aqueous solution, student? Suppose we are forming, that is H plus plus OH minus ion. What is the elemental state? So elemental state of hydrogen is H2 and elemental of oxygen is O2. So how, from where you are forming ions? From the elemental state. These states are, what is this is known as elemental state, that we have to keep in mind, elemental state. But if you are doing that is H2O to that is H plus plus OH minus, okay, this is not the correct one, student. Okay, we have to study the and they are talking about the ionization enthalpy in aqueous solution. Means ionization enthalpy in aqueous solution means the enthalpy change in the formation of an ion at unit activity or concentration from its elements in aqueous solution is enthalpy of ionization. So the element of this ion is H2 and element of oxygen is O2. Okay, from there we are getting. Suppose let us have the one problem here. Calculate the ionization enthalpy of OH ion. They are talking about ionization enthalpy of OH ion. They have given the water getting ionized, and they have given the H2 plus half O2 ionized. So see, that is required reaction. You should know required reaction. What is required reaction, student? Required reaction. So first of all, we have to understand what is the required reaction, and then we have to solve the problem. So required reaction is, if you talk about the required reaction is, so that is we have to get H plus plus OH minus, because they are asking the ionization enthalpy of OH minus ion, from where they are saying that is it is in the aqueous solution, from where you will be able to get from the H2 plus. Okay, from H2 plus half O2, oxygen is 1, so you have to multiply by half. This is the gaseous state and this is a gaseous state. These are the H2 and O2 are in the gaseous state and elemental state. From here, there you are getting H plus and OH minus ion. Okay, now try to solve it out the problem. They have given the equation, this one H2O, and here they have given this one. So how you can solve this one? From equation 1, you see what equation 1 is there. H2O giving H plus plus OH minus, equation 1. So you can write that is H2O liquid is there, it is giving H plus ion plus OH minus ion, and they are saying when it is dissolving how much energy is getting absorbed. So delta H naught is equal to 57.32. So 57.32 kilojoule. Up now second point is what is there, student? H2 and half O2, it is giving H2O. H2 plus half O2 is giving H2O. So write the equation number 2. Okay, so this is equation number 1 and 2. So 2 I am writing, that is H2 plus half O2. This is gas and this is gas. It is giving, what it is giving, student? It is giving, that is it is giving H2O liquid, right? So see, student, for this one enthalpy change they have given in the question minus 285.83 kilojoule. So minus 285.83 kilojoule. Okay, from this equation what we are finding, that is required reaction is this H2 plus half O2. Here is present H2 plus half O2 and right side is H plus plus OH minus this. So this is this is the right side, left side, and this is the right side. H2O is cancel out. Now both the equation you add out. So see what you are getting, that is H2 gas plus half O2 gas. H2 gas plus half O2 gas. It is giving, this is cancel out, so what is left? H plus, it is giving aqueous, and plus OH minus, it is giving aqueous. Okay, so these two terms, if you, how you got this required reaction, ionization reaction? by adding these two. So that is delta ionization enthalpy means what? That is you have to add, that is delta H ionize, that is equation 1, and plus delta H equation 2. So equation 1 they have given 57.32, and equation 2 they have given in terms of minus 285.83 kilojoule. This is the kilojoule. This is the, now we solve out plus into minus minus. So 57.32 minus 285.83, this is kilojoule, equal to, if you solve it out, if you solve it out, it is coming delta IH ionization enthalpy is coming minus 228.51 kilojoule, 228.51 kilojoule. This is the ionization enthalpy. This is the ionization enthalpy, 228.51 kilojoule per mole. Right, student? So this is our required answer. So that is how you have to calculate the ionization enthalpy.